Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from YouTube app this year 2023. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first, click on your profile in the top right. Then see the arrow next to your name. Click on that. Now it's going to bring up this page where it shows your account on your phone. You want to click Use YouTube Sign Out. Now this is going to sign out you out of your YouTube account. It shows these random videos because I am signed out of my account. So that is how you can sign out from your YouTube app. It is super easy. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.